Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up SEWOT SW-01 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the SEWOT SW-01 into a wall socket close to your router. Wait 30 to 40 seconds until the power LED turns solid, not blinking. This means the device is ready. Locate the WPS button on your router. Most routers have a WPS button labeled WPS or with an icon showing 2 curved arrows or a padlock with waves. If your router doesn't have one, this method won't work. You'll need to use the web browser setup instead. Press and hold the WPS button on the router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking, meaning it is ready to pair with another device. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on the SEWOT SW-01 for about 2 seconds. The Wi-Fi/signal LED on the extender will begin to blink, showing it's trying to connect. The extender will automatically connect to your router using the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. When the Wi-Fi/signal LED turns solid, not blinking, the connection is complete. Relocate the extender, unplug it, and move it to a spot midway between your router and the area with poor signal. Make sure the signal LED stays green/solid in the new location. If it turns red or blinks weakly, move it closer to the router. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.